Power BI is a powerful business intelligence tool developed by Microsoft, used for analyzing and visualizing data from various sources to gain insights and make informed decisions. Here's how to use Power BI effectively. Data connection. Connect Power BI to your data sources such as databases, spreadsheets, or cloud services. Data transformation. Cleanse and transform your data using Power Query to prepare it for analysis. Data modeling. Build data models by creating relationships between tables and defining measures and calculated columns using DAX. Visualization. Create interactive and insightful visualizations such as charts, graphs, maps, and tables to represent your data. Dashboard creation. Design dashboards by combining multiple visualizations onto a single canvas to provide a comprehensive view of your data. Report generation. Generate reports by arranging visualizations and adding text boxes, images, and shapes to convey your findings effectively. Data analysis. Analyze data using features like slicers, filters, and real-time capabilities to uncover trends, patterns, and outliers. Sharing and collaboration. Share your reports and dashboards securely with colleagues or clients, and collaborate in real time to drive decision-making. Continuous improvement. Continuously refine your reports and dashboards based on feedback and changing business needs to ensure relevance and effectiveness.